everyone and welcome to the channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to use command in Notion, that is the keyboard shortcut for quick commands. You see, using commands in Notion is a quick and efficient way to navigate, organize and create content within your workspace. So I'm giving you an updated and accurate step-by-step guide on how to use this command, that is keyboard command for quick action. Notion supports several keyboard commands that can help you navigate and execute commands more efficiently. Some common ones include Command plus Shift plus A for Mac, Control plus Shift plus A for Windows to open the block menu to quickly add new blocks. And if you want to toggle the text editor, which is very useful when working with Markdown style formatting, you can use this for Mac and you can use this for Windows. Then, if you want to convert a block into a link, which is very useful when turning headings or text into links, you use Command plus Shift plus L if you're using a Mac and Control plus Shift plus L if you're using a Windows. Then, if you want to duplicate the selected block for Mac, you use Command plus Shift plus D. For Windows, you use Control plus Shift plus D. If you want to redo an action, you use for Mac Command plus Shift plus Z, and for Windows, Control plus Shift plus Z. If you want to undo action, for Mac, use Command plus Shift, you use Command plus Z actually. You use Command plus Z if you want to undo an action on Mac. And use for Windows, Control plus Z. Then if you want to add a new line without creating a new block, which is very useful when editing text, you use Shift plus Enter. So it's as simple as that.